Ituwa ya iyedonuzomo. Imenye ni pataki ni hiana mawa. Wagade nwado danvio. Kona inye noku gai wemi. Oge Citadel of Edo Learning.
Greetings, my great Edo people. We have a special announcement for you, and it is from Citadel of Edo Learning.
Ovie donegwa zedo eohia. Igwe no wono wedo na ze eohi. Ute onu wedo sukmaigero.
Are you an Edo person but can't speak the language? Or a non-indigene who wants to learn the language? Or you really want to learn the language, but you have no time?
Adeirio no, ugai wemi, oge Citadel of Edo Learning, ewa wuyo bonwe. Iyan wi wemi na yeho violadian, lugana setting to bowe wedo.
If you fall into any of those categories, Citadel of Edo Learning has got you covered. They just released an Edo Digital Course for beginners. This course is now available online. It contains 18 video lessons. Whether you are in Nigeria or anywhere in the diaspora, you can access this course anytime. Enroll now at citadelofedolanguage.com for the video lessons and learn at your own pace. You can also purchase our Edo Language Book to aid your learning. This message is from Citadel of Edo Learning.
Wadiala zedu. Amazewoma awi.